overnight. Had a pilot briefing this morning. Well, I don't know, no way I'm going to win, but let's see how well I do. Well, here we are at the Great Lakes STOL competition. Scooter's running a pretty good show here. As you can see, we're already running. It's gonna be a great time.
Does the 140 have the performance needed to make it from this line?
The trees are my concern.
We'll move you wherever you need. You line up in the cone you want and we'll work with you, okay?
Very much appreciated, Amanda.
Oh, no problem at all. It's all about safety.
I'll do the first one, 2 cones back. Just for engagement performance.
140, Roger. Contact yes, okay, 140, take the runway line up. Call for turning, no left space. 140, look at Scooter off your right, good to go.
Here we go.
Thank you, Scooter. I think we're pretty good. I can move up at least a cone.
Alright, Scooter was kind enough to back me up.
Orange Cup, short final.
Taylor Craft final 36.
140, turning base.
Alright, here we go. First landing. Let's see how we do. Alright, drag it in. We're gonna have windows open.
140 final.
140, Rogers and RV, just landed runway 9, you hold short. Kilo Hotel, hold short, runway 36.
Copy that, hold short, runway 36.
I see that. Great job, man.
You know that I'm just so done with that.
RV 7 Kilo Hotel, cross runway 36.
57 Kilo Hotel, just crossing runway 36 here in a second.
Okay, so they give you an extra 200 feet, 1 cone back, I'll let him know.
I appreciate all the respect for the symmetrical wing, guys.
Here we go, takeoff number 2. Got Scooter flagging me. 200 feet back this time.
Bald eagle right off my wing.
Showing around.
Thanks, because I was going to have to do that if you didn't.
There was a time where I didn't even have to stand in a line to get to complete where you reside. But now I'm waiting such a long little way, girl. 'Cause since you've been around, I've been as low as the underground. You could even say that I found this sound that directly results everything that you've done. And really take me as such a fool. Not them treat me just like a tool.
Flat face.
Playing games with my heart is
Horn cup short final.
And we're all out here to have fun, but better safe than sorry. I think the general's go around was a great idea. Good on him. Oh, he's nice and slow. That was a good slip. Looks like he's scratched, but I was pretty far after the line on that one.
Okay, 610 Hotel, Yellow Cub meets the line. West of 140, down to your cone. Scooters down there.
Here we go, last one.
Underclass is clear.
What do you think, guys? Was it a good time?
Good time.
Come on, you can clap louder than that.
Great time, yeah! When I was working at Michigan Aviation.
We got the Bush class lining up.
Seated right across the line.
So here's the 150 pilot.
Yep. DQ, that's what I got.
DQ,
but I
DQ.
stopped in the last one within 450 feet, so now I know where I can go.
I got one question.
Yeah.
How tight was the pucker factor with the trees approaching?
I've been closer, so that didn't feel, and I also had like 10 knots of extra speed, so I knew I could, if it feels worse, then I could just
Hey,
pull it
good
up.
job,
Yeah.
man.
Thanks.
Three Great Lakes STOL winner. That was the tan and maroon mall, the stock mall. And he's proud of the stock mall. It's a nice plane. Thank you very much. The under 100 horsepower class. The smallest airplanes we had out there. Underpowered, but I think some of the most fun to fly. We got Dale Panton in his Super Cub. Or pardon me, his Piper J3 Cub. He had a total takeoff and landing distance of 512 feet. Obviously, he's been practicing. He had some good lines on his landings also. So 510. Thank you very much. Here in the Bush class, this would be the two-seat aircraft.
Hey, good job, Dale.
Thanks.
We have, with a total landing distance of 441 feet, Eric Jarima in his Super Cub. All right, thank you, Eric. And then in the experimental class this year, this was these were the shortest aircraft and the home-built aircraft, with a total takeoff and landing distance of 276 feet. We've got newcomer, rookie TJ Johnson.
I can't believe I beat Steve.
Great job.
Yeah.
Rookie class. I built it just for this.
There you go. Congratulations. In the under 100 horsepower, non-rigid class, this was these were the Quicksilvers. They look kind of like ultralights, but they're end-numbered aircraft. Defending champion Jack White won this year with 202 feet. Deja vu. I mean, I do think for the pilots and people who are here who flew in, that the Chesapeake Sports Plane Association is putting on some hot dog lunch. If you want to feel, go over there for donations. Thanks for showing up. We really appreciate it. I hope to see you folks next year. Thank you.
Gonna take off and run me over?
Well, that's
what we're worried about.
yeah, that's the worry actually.
Tried to make a scene, didn't change a thing. Damn it, you blew it. And you're probably out there somewhere missing me. Wish I had an ounce of sympathy. Yeah, I tell my friends that I wish you well, but the truth is, honey, that I hope it hurts like hell. Like hell. When you see me leaving here with someone else, well, the truth is, honey, that I hope it hurts like hell. Like hell. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Hope it hurts like hell. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Hope it hurts like hell. I hate to hate someone, but you make it so easy. Make it so damn easy.
How'd you do, Brian? Oh, I didn't hit any trees.
But you're the one who needs me.
Final numbers will be posted, I think, tomorrow or so.
Yeah, I tell my friends that I wish you well, but the truth is, honey, that I hope it hurts like hell.